So for today's video, I want to show you a quick and easy way to make a bird feeder. It's inexpensive. They look kind of pretty. I went to a dollar store. You can pick yourself up. These are acrylic bowls, so you never have to worry about them rusting or painting. They always look like this. Just a little wipe, they're clean. The birds love them. At any given time I'll have about 4 or 5 birds at one time in here feeding. Another good thing about this, if you live in a house that doesn't have any trees, get yourself one of these or a shepherd's hook that you put hanging baskets on, and take one basket off and just put this on. They come off real easy, just like that. Put it anywhere you want in the yard, sitting on the patio, and you can see it. So all you need to make this is a bowl and saucer, a 1/4-inch drill. Drill a hole in the center, and in the center there, go to the hardware store, get one piece of 1/4-inch threaded rod, cut it into 3 equal pieces, and you can make 3 of these. Pick yourself up a package of 1/4-inch wing nuts, okay, and some washers. I like the wing nuts because you don't even have to bother with using a wrench. You can just put it on and do it, tighten it up nice with your finger. It'll never move. Now for this one, I MIG welded a little flat washer on it, but not everybody's going to have a welder, so you can get some of this cable here and just roll it around. It's got holes in it, and this particular one has 1/4-inch holes, so you don't even have to drill a hole. All you're going to do is cut about a 6-inch piece off your roll, and you buy it at the hardware store. It's a good thing to keep around the house. It's good for a lot of do-it-yourself projects. So again, you're going to drill the holes, cut this in 3 pieces, put it through, I bought a package of washers, and just put a washer and then a wing nut, and it doesn't even collect any water. I've had these out in terrible rainstorms, and they're maintenance free. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Subscribe to my button if you like this.